Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So lately, you guys, I have really been crushing on fall decor and decorating our home very minimally for the fall. I used to go really over the top, and here lately I've just found myself enjoying just the more simple things, like a simple wreath on the door, the pumpkin topiary, and a few moms. And, that's really what I've been enjoying in terms of like the front door decor. For Christmas, we'll do a little bit more. Now, I wanted to redo the items on my patio for the fall. I have a complete tour in a separate video, and I will link that video down below if you guys are interested in watching that. But I am absolutely loving the neutral hues with just the pops of blues and greens. The wreath that you saw on my front door, I repurposed it and put it at the base of the topiary because we are spending so much time on our patio these days. We've been doing like fall movie nights and just couple nights and just sitting on the patio enjoying each other's company and just listening to music and just having an overall great time. So I am really enjoying that along with this centerpiece. I did paint the base of it, if you remember it from a few years ago when I used it in a tablescape. Next up, for our guest bedroom, my middle brother came to visit us. So I just wanted to give our guest bedroom a nice fall touch without going over the top. So I added this really cute gather sign. I got it at Hobby Lobby, and then I had these little dollar pumpkins from Target, and I had it in gray, I had them in blue and white. And then you guys may remember this succulent pumpkin that I got at Ross last year. And this is a new addition to the room. I added in this little message board, and my plan is to like do little prayers and things over there for guests, or like a reference board for guests. I haven't made my mind up yet. So that is the guest bedroom, and then right over the doorway I added the metal flower piece that matches that sign. So I just thought that was so cute. When you're decorating your house, it takes some time, but if you just take your time and find the pieces that you love, you will find that those pieces go together beautifully. And I just love the little details in home decor. Now, speaking of details in home decor, when I decorate our home for the holidays, I like to stay true to the shades that are already in our house, like the color palette. So when I started decorating our living room for fall, I absolutely love these tall gourds that I placed on either side of our of the sofa tables or the end tables next to the sofa. I absolutely love those. And I got a new rug, you guys, if you haven't seen that. And then I just updated the gourd by adding ribbon onto it to match the color scheme of our living room. And it turned out absolutely fabulous. Because of the passion for event planning and entertaining in me, I absolutely love creating tablescapes for not only the holidays, but just like all the time. I absolutely love it. It's a great way for me to keep up on my event planning skills and just, entertain my family. So this fall, we have done this gorgeous, elegant over-the-top tablescape. I absolutely love the color hues. And I also did a black and white one. And I will link both of those videos as well if you would like to see the entire tutorial. My husband's man cave is all set for fall football. I definitely want to add maybe some side tables here, but I'm looking for something that's really thin, relatively thin, so that it doesn't take up a lot of space. So if you guys know of anything, please comment down below. I'll leave a link down below. And then where the two deer photos are, I am going to be adding photos of like him and his family. Fall movie nights can be so much fun for the entire family. There are some really cute like blow up couches and things like that on Amazon if you would like to do that, like the blow up projector screen and the blow up couches, or you can just move your patio furniture or your football furniture to your lawn, and I just think it makes so much fun. And then using an old palette, you can definitely create a concession stand and include everyone's favorite snacks like popcorn and chips and, you know, you name it. The possibilities are absolutely limitless, but the key is just finding something fun and creative for the entire family to enjoy. Speaking of enjoying something, you guys, I was so looking forward to enjoying my fall boots, but if you have not seen my latest video, I shared with you guys that I was injured, just kind of like a freak accident after church, and I was just so excited about wearing all my boots this fall. I spent one of the weeks this summer organizing a closet and turning it into my shoe closet, and I show a really cute DIY on how I use like shower curtain rods and boot clips to hang all of my boots up, and I just love the way that it turned out, and just being able to go in and get the boots and just wear them, oh my gosh, and look at everything that I have. It is so much fun, and it just, it's just so inspirational and motivational for me. And would you believe that I organized this entire shoe closet using clear bins from the Dollar Tree? I've always loved these bins. I've probably had them for well over a decade. I've always organized my shoes this way because I like to be able to see them. I used to take photos of the shoes and put them on the front of the box. And my friend Nikki from At Home with Nikki actually gave me a great organization idea with using photo boxes for my shoes because I wear a size 6.5. So I may try that out, but for now I'm really enjoying the clear ones and enjoying just all of my boots being clipped and easily accessible. I am just so in love with this organization method, and I think it cost me less than $50 to organize this entire closet, and that was like for the boot clamps and the shower rod piece and all of that. So I'm super stoked about it, and seeing my shoes every day is just so motivating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed all of my fall home decor, my fall home tour, the patio, movie ideas, fall organization ideas for your boots, you name it. If you guys enjoyed this content, please give me a huge thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for the algorithm so that my content will pop up and you'll be notarized when I update more content or when I upload more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!